In today's video, I will discuss how can students use ChatGPT for their benefit. So here I have just opened the ChatGPT, and then I am going to show you how as a student you can make use of ChatGPT and take best use and take maximum benefit from it. So here is the screen, and I will suppose I am preparing for my SAT and I have to practice some questions in maths. So I will just ask here, send me few questions for SAT quant. Now I have sent this command, and now let us. So I will click here. Sure, here are a few examples. SAT math quantitative question. If x plus y equals 8 and x minus y equals 4, what is the value of 2x? These are different type of basic questions that ChatGPT has given me, and then as a student I have asked ChatGPT to send me some questions, and here are at least 10 questions. Now, out of these 10 questions, let us assume I don't know what is the answer of question 6. So I have asked again, what is the value of 6x squared plus 6 cubed divided by 6? Now since I don't know the answer, I will take help of ChatGPT and I will send the question to it. So I am sending it. You can see the ChatGPT is sending a step-by-step answer, and first we evaluate the expression inside the parentheses, which is 36 and 216 respectively, and then we can add them together and divide by 6 to obtain the final answer, which is 45. So here you can see it has not only given the answer, but it has also explained us the entire answer step by step. So for students, this ChatGPT, as I feel, is going to bring revolution. We must use it wisely in order to get benefit. But there is one more thing that I want to share. Let us ask some other question just to check if it can answer any question. So we will ask this question number 3, and this time let us see what is the answer given by ChatGPT. So I am just entering this question here, and again requesting ChatGPT to answer it. You can again see it is giving you step-by-step solution. The equation of the line, in the equation y equal to 4x minus 2, the slope is 4. The slope of line is the equation y equal to mx plus b. So it is complete explanation is given. The slope of a line in the equation y equal to x plus b is represented by the coefficient of x, which is m. In this case, the coefficient of x is 4. So the slope of the line is 4. The slope tells you the steepness of the line and its direction. A line with a positive slope goes up as it goes to the right, while a line with a negative slope goes down as it goes to the right. A line with a slope of 0 is a horizontal line, and a line with an undefined slope is a vertical line. It is worth noting that in a line equation in slope-intercept form, y equal to x plus b, where m is the slope and b is the y-intercept. Y-intercept is the point where line crosses y-axis. The x-intercept is the point where the line crosses x-axis. So you can see it has given you complete detail not only to the answer but why and how of the question also has been answered. So definitely it is going to be a boon for it is going to be proved boon for students who are preparing for any exam or any student is going to help to a great extent. But there is one thing that you must remember. In one of the questions that I asked to ChatGPT earlier, it said, I asked ChatGPT how can students get benefit from ChatGPT. So it has given various reasons and various things that the students should follow and get in the various ways the student can get benefited, like tutoring, essay writing, student aid, and blah blah blah. Then there are so many things, and finally it says it is worth repeating that ChatGPT should not be used as a tool to assist rather than replace the human instruction, guidance, and feedback, because it can't replace personalization, communication, and expertise of a human teacher. So definitely ChatGPT can prove to be a great help, but we all understand it is all AI, artificial intelligence. It cannot replace human intelligence and human teacher. These things should be noted. But yes, we can take great help, that is for sure. If you like my video and like my explanation, please do subscribe to my channel and share it with your friends as well. Thank you very much. See you in the next video.